Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where it's cake and not the kind you eat. And that's a bunny butt. We're not going to talk about that though. But today's an awesome day because tomorrow's my birthday. Yeah, I'm going to be 30. Hey babe, how old am I going to be? I kind of forgot. Babe. 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 How old am I tomorrow?
33.
32 years old tomorrow. I was just saying she knew, but she did not know. She said 33. I'm not that old, damn it. I know you're only 24, but that doesn't mean I'm that old. Anyways, so we're about to head to Lowe's. She wants to buy me a birthday present. But yeah, no, I figured I'd just make this video. Let you know that tomorrow a video is going to release of another game review. So that's super fun. But yeah. How you doing? I was talking to the cat. Anyways. So. Something on my shirt. Anyways. Hey guys. So we are going out of town to get food for my birthday tomorrow, and Pop-Tart here is buying me a outdoor fire pit for the backyard so I can roast my wiener, if you know what I mean. Also, we went and got 7 Brew. I don't know if any of you guys know what 7 Brew is, but it's the nectar of the gods. I know this looks like piss. I promise you, we did not pull over and have Pop-Tart piss in my cup. Oh, it's so good. Anyways, I'm also going to shave my face when we get home, so that's going to be fun. I'm trying to get the beard to grow in a little bit fuller. I've been growing out the hair for about, babe, how long do you think I've been growing this out? 2 years, I think, right? About 2 years?
About, yeah.
Yeah, so I can't see and I'm driving, so that's really healthy. Also, I probably shouldn't be recording while driving anyways, but, you know, what's the worst? Oh, God! No, just kidding.
Testicles.
What is with you and singing about testicles? What is this? Is this just somebody dropping a fucking pipe? Oh my, you know, actually, I forgot to mention that we are doing a new series on this channel where Pop-Tart is going to send me TikToks. I'm trying to tell them something. Anyways, Pop-Tart is going to send me TikToks that come up on their For You page that are their type of humor, which is fucking brain rot. I'm going to show some of them right here on the screen. It says here, okay.
Dude, I'm not doing that. That's sus as fuck.
Yeah, so that right there, fucking brain rot, okay? They're going to send me a bunch of those, and I'm going to react to them. And last night, we had watched some of them on the TV in the living room, and I was fucking cackling. It was so weird. Don't know. Anyways, yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, do what you got to do, but catch us in the next episode where we're going to do whatever we want. Put your pants on. What are you doing? My gosh. Just got her wang out, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I don't know what I'm saying there, but, you know, let me know down below what games I should review. I'd really love to know what games people want me to review. Obviously, I've done Starfield, I've done Uboat, I've done Ready or Not. I just recorded Starship Troopers, and what is it called? Extermination or whatever the fuck it's called. The first-person shooter version. I just recorded that one, so I need to know what else I need to record. So let me know what games down below you want me to tell you how I feel about, and I will do that.